In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update your inventory and product listings on your Wayfair seller account. Whether you're new to selling on Wayfair or just need a refresher on the process, we'll walk through everything you need to know to streamline your product listings. Let's get started. First, you'll need to log into your Wayfair seller account. This might sound like an obvious step, but having your login credentials ready will save you time. Once you're logged in, you'll want to navigate to either the inventory or product upload section. These sections are crucial because they are specifically designed for managing your product listings efficiently. Now, once you are in the correct section, it's time to choose your preferred method to upload your products. Wayfair offers two primary methods. You can either use the bulk upload template, or you can choose to import your details via an Excel or CSV file. Both options are great, but which one you choose might depend on the amount of data you have. If you're dealing with a large number of products, the Excel or CSV file import could be the most efficient method. Regardless of which method you select, just be sure to download the most recent templates provided by Wayfair for accuracy and compatibility. Once you have your template, it's crucial to fill in your product details carefully and accurately. This includes everything from product names, descriptions, SKU numbers, prices, and anything else specific to your inventory. Remember, accuracy is key here. Errors can delay the uploading process or cause your product listings to display incorrectly, which could impact your sales. In addition to inputting detailed information, you'll also need to upload high-quality images of your products. Good images are vital as they are the first thing potential customers will notice. Make sure your pictures are clear and well lit, showing the product from multiple angles if necessary. The goal is to make it as easy as possible for your customers to envision the product in their own space, enhancing their likelihood of making a purchase. Once you've got all your information and images ready, it's time to submit your products for review. This is an essential step, as Wayfair will need to review your listings to ensure they meet their standards and policies before they go live on their platform. While waiting for approval, it can be a good opportunity to double-check any other listings and handle routine account maintenance. Depending on the volume of submissions, this review process can take a little time, so a bit of patience is important. Before you know it, your listings will be live, ready to reach potential customers. So that's all there is to updating your inventory and product listings on your Wayfair seller account. Thank you for watching.